Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down gadgets and tools to see if they're worth your time and money. Today, we're diving into a surprisingly clever little product that solves a very relatable problem: losing your remote. We're taking a look at the TONJOLY Asix Toy 2-pack magnetic remote control holder with retractable spring ropes and anti-lost functionality. Out of the box, you get two magnetic holders with a sleek black finish. These come with extendable spring ropes and a wall mount setup using strong adhesive. Each unit stretches up to 43 inches, and everything is surprisingly compact and lightweight. The build quality feels solid, and the magnets have a decent amount of grip. There's no drilling required, just peel, stick, and you're ready to go. A quick heads up. This is designed for remotes with flat backs, so if you've got a curved one, you may need to improvise a bit. This product is all about preventing your remote from vanishing into the couch abyss. The retractable leash is spring-loaded, meaning it always bounces back into place when you're done using your remote. The magnet system allows for fast docking and undocking. So instead of placing your remote on a table or couch, you snap it onto the wall where it stays secure. It's not just practical, it actually looks kind of cool and futuristic, like your remote has its own designated parking spot. The adhesive mount is strong enough to hold steady on most flat surfaces, walls, headboards, or even the side of a table. Installation takes under a minute, and you're good to go. It's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, hotel rooms, and especially useful in homes with kids or elderly family members who constantly misplace remotes. We tested the leash strength and retraction and found that it extends easily and doesn't tangle. Whether you're sitting close or on the other end of the couch, the cord gives you enough flexibility without feeling like it's pulling the remote out of your hand. It's gentle but responsive. We also attached it to other small devices like Bluetooth speakers and fan remotes, and it worked just as well. The magnetic docking is definitely the hero here. It feels intuitive. You grab the remote, use it, and snap it right back to the wall without even thinking about it. The TONJOLY magnetic remote control holder might not be the flashiest gadget, but it solves a real-world problem in a smart and affordable way. It's easy to install, keeps your remote where you need it, and saves you time and frustration. If you're tired of playing hide and seek with your remote every day, this is one of those under-the-radar products that genuinely makes life easier. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, so you never miss our practical product deep dives. Catch you in the next one.